Hello everybody, welcome back. Tomorrow I am leaving to Texas to visit some of my family. So today I thought, why not show you guys how I pack everything? So if you're interested, keep on watching. So to start off, I have my luggage right here. I've had this ever since I was really young. I think I either got it at Marshall's or Ross. So every time I pack, I lay all of my clothes out. As you can see, I've already picked all my outfits, including what I was wearing in the beginning. I also have a bathing suit. So I definitely recommend to plan your outfits ahead of time and have things that you can wear with other items. For instance, I have these shorts and they go with those two tops on top. I have these bottoms that go with the white and striped top on top. So that already makes 4 outfits. So now I'm gonna pack them inside. So I tend to kind of roll my items and more things can fit in. So as you can see, everything fit in and there's still a lot of space. As for the top, I have all my bras and underwear on this compartment. So I'm going to be taking a couple pairs of shoes. I have those little heels which are really casual yet dressy, and I have those sandals, and then I have my sneakers. And here's a tip: wear your heaviest clothes to the airport. The sneakers take up a lot of room in the luggage, so I'm gonna wear those to the airport. Another good thing is to put your shoes into little baggies. So I have these ones. So I'm gonna put those in the bag and put them in my luggage. So I was able to fit 2 pairs of shoes in each one. So face the bottom of the shoes towards each other, that way they won't ruin your other shoes that are in the bag. So I have everything in there. I put my socks in the corner. Now I'm gonna put in my curling iron and straightener. In this bag I have my brushes and makeup palette. In here I have all my makeup. At my aunt and uncle's house, it gets really cold at night and my feet get really cold, so I definitely need this. Next, I have a little bag for when I'm over there. I'm going to take my backpack as my carry-on as well. So I'm just gonna put this bag in my luggage. And to make use out of your space, definitely put items inside like your socks or underwear. So in my bag, I have an essential. Ladies, don't forget to pack some pads or tampons when you're on your trip, because you never know when it's gonna come. So I just packed those in there. So I wasn't really sure where to put all my cables, but I think I'm gonna end up putting them here. Oh, actually I think I'll put some in my bag too. I have my laptop charger, which I don't need on the plane or anywhere, so I'll just put that in there. Definitely, if you're going traveling, don't forget a portable charger. I have my adapter for my laptop. Have my camera charger, and then I have my cable that connects my laptop and my camera. Lastly, we have our toiletry bag that has all our toothpaste, toothbrush, everything in there. And I think that's all I need. I'll only be gone for about 2 weeks. I have all my stuff in there. And there's even a little bit more space in like those areas and in that one. So definitely if I buy anything out there, it could definitely fit in there. Time to close it. Okay, there we go. So on my carry-on, I have my laptop because hopefully I'll edit and film while I'm out there. I have some tissue paper. I have my headphones, my boarding pass, and my wallet for now. In my small pocket, I'm going to have my gum, some body spray. This is Magic in the Air from Bath & Body Works. Some chapstick. I have my phone cable and my iPod cable, which I will fix later. Right now, I'm just going to stuff it in there. So that's how I pack my suitcase and my carry-on, and I'll be taking my camera. And what I like to wear on the airport, I like to take a long sleeve because I get really cold fast, and I'll be wearing shorts because once I land in Texas, it's going to be around 97 degrees and it is really humid. So I'll just have this and I can easily get something out of my luggage. So definitely make sure you know the weather of the destination you're going to and the weather when you come back, and keep in mind that it is cold in the airport. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how I pack everything, and let me know if you're traveling anywhere this summer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!